Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to continue to expand, but we're going to add one more step today, okay? So, our first step, whenever we're combining like terms or anything like that, or solving an equation even, we want to make sure we distribute so that way we're not missing anything, okay? So, we're going to go ahead and look at this one. So, I can see that I'm going to distribute my 4 to both pieces. So, 4 times p is 4p, and then 4 times 5 is 20 with our q coming down. Now notice I did not distribute the 4 to the negative 3q because it's not in parentheses. So he's just going to come along for the ride. Now that I've distributed, I'm going to look and see, do I have any like terms? There's no other p's to combine with, so I'm going to combine my q's. So this is 20q minus 3q. So the 4p comes on down, and then 20q minus 3q would give me plus 17q. Okay, so we're just adding that step where we're combining the like terms after we distribute. Okay, now this one has 2 sets of parentheses. Okay, so I know I'm going to distribute this 4, and 4 times 2n is 8n, and 4 times 5 is 20. Now there's actually an invisible 1 in front of this parenthesis, but after the minus sign. We're subtracting this entire thing, so we need to distribute that negative to the m, or negative 1 to the m, and negative 1 to this minus 1. So negative 1 times m would be just minus m. And then negative 1 times another negative 1 would give me a positive 1. Okay, and that really throws some people. But whenever we have a negative outside, all we have to do is change the sign. So it became a negative n and a positive 1. Now we can combine like terms if possible. So I have an 8n, there's no buddies with him. There is a 20 and a 1, so I can combine those to be plus 21. And then the minus m comes along for the ride. Okay. You could also write this as 8n minus m plus 21, because sometimes we like all the variables to be in front and then the constants at the end. Okay. All right, let's try another one. Do I have another one? We do have another one. Ooh, one with fractions, your favorite. So why don't you go ahead and try this one and see how you do. So we have a negative 3 times 1/2. So negative 3 over 1 times 1 over 2 becomes negative 3 over 2. And again, we can just leave that as an improper fraction. We don't have to do anything crazy with it, okay? And then our k comes along for the ride here. And then negative 3 times negative 4, we can always take that sign in front, is a positive 12. Okay, and again, that negative 3 is not going to the minus 2k because conveniently it's not in the parentheses. Now I see the 12 doesn't have any buddies, but we do have some k's. And guess what? We're going to add fractions, and that's going to be okay, right? So we have negative 3/2, and it's going to be minus 2. So to get a common denominator would both be 2, so we're going to have minus 4 over 2. So we have negative 3 minus 4, which is negative 7 over 2. Okay, so that would be negative 7 over 2k plus 12. Okay, I hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.